At Optimus, we're more than a trusted advisor. We're your partner in transformation. We combine deep expertise in the solutions we represent with a clear understanding of your industry's unique challenges and opportunities. Optimus continues to grow across continents, bringing innovation to businesses worldwide. Our proven business process optimization methodology drives measurable results. That's why we focus on key industries where we deliver the greatest impact. With our vertical solutions and business accelerators, we help companies move faster and smarter. Optimus PABs. Unlock the potential of end-to-end project lifecycle management with our comprehensive solution. Optimus Bite Genius, smarter restaurant management solution implemented in weeks. Optimus Food and Beverage Accelerator. Optimize inventory, logistics, and customer experiences fast. Optimus National Accounts. Manage customer groups, effortlessly streamlined payments, and powerful reporting. Optimus Landed Cost. Uncover insights to optimize pricing. Optimus Pace. From smarter sales and real-time collaboration to data-driven insights and intelligent CRM capabilities, our Pace solutions are designed to grow as your business evolves. Optimus Grocery Genius. AI-powered inventory, pricing, and store optimization. Our achievements speak for themselves, and Top 100 Florida Business Awardee for 3 consecutive years by the University of Florida and Ernst & Young. Microsoft Gold, Certified Partner, LS Retail Diamond Partner for 3 consecutive years, LS Retail Worldwide Cloud Partner of the Year, 2026 Advisory Global Partner Award, and 2026 LATAM Partner of the Year by Aptium, 2025 AI Courageous Partner Award by Data Courage. Insight Software Elite Partner, Power BI Black Belt, together with our strategic partners, AGR and LS Retail, Iceland, Data Courage, Poland and Portugal, Aptium and Microsoft, United States, Retail Associates, Philippines and Hong Kong, Quadira, Netherlands, Cosmos Business Intelligence, USA, InsightWorks, Canada, Navtech, Bulgaria, Netherlands and Switzerland, Adyen, Netherlands and Soft4, Lithuania, ED Digital, Puerto Rico and Avalara, USA, Freedom Pay, United States, CipherLab, USA and PartnerTech, Taiwan, NaviWorld, Australia, Thailand, Singapore, Myanmar, and Vietnam. Bear Robotics, South Korea and the US. iDynamics, Spain. We empower organizations with cutting-edge tech to drive growth and success.